Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. So the second to last mini squishy for the week, and this one is obviously a mini pineapple squishy. I'm super happy with how it turned out. I think it's so cute with his little face, and I just love his little mouth. I did it a little bit differently this time, so I hope you enjoyed this video. And yeah, so to start off with, you'll need a block of memory foam, and you'll want to draw out a rough oval shape. So first of all, you want to cut it out really roughly into a rough sphere shape. And then what you want to do, as usual, is just go in with little tiny snips to smooth it out all the way around. Once the pineapple body is completely smoothed out with all the little snips that you're making, you'll then want to move on and make the leaves for the top of the pineapple's head. So to do this, I took a piece of old foam that I just had a really thin part and just cut it into like little triangle shapes to then fit on top of the pineapple. Once I was happy with the shape, after I readjusted a couple of times, I then went in with some hot glue and just hot glued the bottom bit, and then I held it there for about 1 to 2 seconds whilst it set. I really haven't had a problem with this coming off at all, but you want to use as little glue as possible so that you don't end up with any hard bits in your squishy. Once you have the overall shape, you'll then move on to painting it. I, for some reason, actually started painting the leaves yellow, so I don't know why I did that, and anyway I went in with more yellow and painted the whole of the body. I then took some green puffy paint that I mixed up earlier and then painted over the little bit of yellow I accidentally painted before, and proceeded to paint the rest of the leaves on top of it. You can do this by mixing some blue and yellow, or obviously you can buy green puffy paint from the tube. Once this was completely dry, I then moved on with my dotting tool to create a little face onto the pineapple. I took some black puffy paint for the eyes and went in and made 2 little circles for those. And this took a little bit fiddling around because I really like to get little perfect eyes, and drawing on memory foam is quite hard. So next I went in with a pin and some black puffy paint again and drew on the little mouth in between the eyes. And I did this a little bit differently to what I usually do. I did like a little W kind of mouth, which I thought was so cute. Anyway, so I moved on then with some white puffy paint with my dotting tool and made some little highlight on the eyes, and then I added some pink puffy paint to the cheeks right next to the eyes just to add a little blush. I then left the paint to dry for about half an hour because it wasn't really very thick paint that I put on, and it dried really quickly, and then my squishy was then complete. So thanks for dropping by again on yet another mini squishy video. I do have one more coming tomorrow, which I am super excited about. I think it's my favourite one because it's just so cute and little. So I hope you stick around for that. Anyway, I'll see you tomorrow. Bye!